Outstanding Rural Health Career, Pete Antonson. It is difficult to find someone who not only has devoted his career to bettering healthcare in North Dakota, but who has also devoted his career to one healthcare organization, while still making a difference for so many throughout the state.
Pete, it is my pleasure to have nominated you for the award of Outstanding Healthcare Career. And what a career it has been. You have literally seen it all. I don't know any organization in the state of North Dakota that has had the privilege of stable and consistent top-level leadership like Northwood Deaconess Health Center has had, and the privilege of having you, Pete, as our leader.
Pete Antonson is the Chief Executive Officer of Northwood Deaconess Health Center in Northwood, North Dakota. Pete began working at Northwood Deaconess Health Center as a bookkeeper in 1983. He later moved into the Chief Financial Officer position and then was named CEO in 2000.
I am so excited to say a few words about Pete. Pete has been a long-term care advocate for many, many years. I met him first when he was CEO, but I know Pete has 40 years of experience. I was excited when Tina reached out to me and said, hey, we want to submit this award for Pete. What do you think? And the thing that most impressed me was that it was coming from his staff. The staff were supportive of him, and he is supportive of them.
Pete's dedication to Northwood Deaconess Health Center has remained strong over the course of nearly 40 years. It is this stability and leadership that has helped the organization grow and provide better service to the Northwood community and surrounding area.
Pete, we are so grateful for your leadership, for your steadfast advocacy for us as providers. We appreciate that you listen to our concerns, you respond to our needs, and you always make us feel important and heard. Thanks, Pete. Congratulations.
Pete has led this organization through challenging times, including a devastating tornado in Northwood and throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, just to name a few. Northwood Deaconess Health Center has become stronger due to his steady lead.
Pete, I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate your leadership and commitment to this community and this organization. I think it's a rare thing in healthcare to have someone as committed as you have been over the years. I wish you best of luck in your retirement, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the golf course.
Pete has made significant contributions to improving long-term care throughout the state. He served on the North Dakota Long-Term Care Association from 2006 to 2009 and from 2016 to 2020. He currently serves on the Board of Examiners for Nursing Home Administrators from July 2004 to present, serving as chair from 2007 to 2010. His second term will end this June.
I've had the privilege of knowing and working with Pete for over the last 10 years as Medical Director of Regional Operations at All True Health System, and actually spent some clinical and medical education time at the Northwood Deaconess Health Center facility. I've always admired and been impressed with Pete's dedication to providing quality health care to the Northwood community and surrounding area. His development of high-quality medical, nursing, EMS, and support staffs for the Northwood Deaconess Health Center is exemplary and recognized throughout the region that All True Health System serves.
Pete has become active on the board of the North Dakota Rural Health Association, serving as treasurer for many years, and was one of the first presidents of the organization. He has been an integral part of the Dakota Conference on Rural and Public Health Planning Committee, helping to ensure that annually continuing education and resources are available to healthcare and public health professionals. With Pete's impending retirement at the end of this year, it is remarkable to see all the ways he helped shape rural healthcare in North Dakota, and especially in the Northwood community.
I'm so very pleased, grateful, and humbled to be recognized with the award for Outstanding Rural Health Career. I have to say a bunch of thank yous, and they all start at home. I want to thank my parents for giving me the chance to live what I call a normal life. I've said this often, I think I grew up in Ozzie and Harriet's house. 90% of the people probably listening to this are now Googling Ozzie and Harriet. Let me save you some time. We weren't rich, but I had everything we needed. I had a loving home, 3 square meals, and the opportunity to observe parents that were outstanding role models in so many ways. I want to thank my wife, Mary, for always being there for me, again, providing the same home environment for our marriage and for raising our kids. Thank you to my kids, now adults, Nikki and Eric, for being great kids and making parenting easy. Thank you, Nikki, for making me a grandpa, or better known as Bappa, to her kids. What a great gift. I spent my entire health career at Northwood Deaconess Health Center, including the years my mom worked here. It's been putting food on my table for 56 years. Thank you, Northwood Deaconess. Thank you to the churches that provide the ownership of Northwood Deaconess Health Center and ultimately elect the board of directors. Thank you, board members, for sharing your time, your talent, and your support. Thank you to all the staff of Northwood Deaconess. I'm guessing that number is probably in the thousands over these 39 years of my career. You're the ones that continue to do the work through winter storms, tornadoes, COVID-19, and more. Thank you to the management team and the medical staff. Your skill, diligence, determination, and support have allowed me to manage in a style that's very comfortable for me. I get this award when you deserve all the credit. Thank you to the colleagues I've met over these years. Many of you have become very close friends. Finally, I want to thank you. I want to thank those that submitted my name and wrote letters of support for this award. Your kind words filled my bucket to overflowing. And last but not least, thank you to the Dakota Conference for this award. I really appreciate it.